knows dirty secrets that I keep. Does he know it's killing me? He knows, does he know? And now his hands have touched my skin. I won't tell him where I've been.
Today, graduate dorm, well, not dorm hall, what's it called? Like, college shopping, I guess, with my visualist. I mean, so, so, dorm shopping is in process.
But it's pretty.
Amanda, you're my vlog. Oh God, Lord. Oh Jesus. But yeah.
Don't need permission, made my decision to test my limits. Cause it's my business, God as my witness. Stop what I finished. Don't need no hold up, taking control of this kind of moment. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused. My mind is open. All that you got's gonna skin on my neck. Don't you stop, boy. Something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I should've.
So, I need this. Huh?
You got carpet. You never need carpet.
Oh yeah, I definitely need the carpet. Is that all together?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Save it for later, the taste of flavor. Cause I'm a taker, cause I'm.
Can we keep each other company? Oh, maybe we can be each other's company. Oh, company.
Probably at Ross. Let me stop being nasty though, for real. Girl,
What are you doing?
girl, what did you? Maybe on that phone.
Yeah.
Janelle. Yeah. See, and
I'll be slayed though
girl,
when I get to you.
just know this definitely going in my vlog too for my
It's gonna be
daughter.
an after effect when we get to you.
Trying to tell you. We're now at Marshall. But yeah, we gotta get the command scripts. But yeah, we're looking for letters for our dorm. It's cute. Girl.
Drop this out.
Yeah, how much is that? 30? I can fight. I can fight. I'm sweating.
Be down, cause she was one letter that started off.
I can fight.
Janelle.
One letter.
I'm looking right at you, but you're not there. I'm seeing right past you, but you seem well aware. Your body is here, but your mind is somewhere else, so far gone. And you think I can't tell that you are disconnected. You pulled away and I miss your presence. I always said to you, baby, you should be here, right here, baby. You should be here, right here. Don't know where you went, but you're lost now. Don't know where you went, but you're gone now. Don't know where you went, but you're lost now. Don't know where you went, but you're gone now. Head on your.
I'm back. Okay. But no, I got all my stuff for my dorm and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go through all my stuff like.
Okay, so I got my shower caddy, my hangers. Oh yeah, my hangers. If it focus. Okay, yeah, my hangers. It was like $4 altogether. I got my cover, my blue cover, because my room is black, blue, and green. I got my pillow, my black pillow. My mirror, long, extra long mirror. I have also the bottle that Janelle bought me. So like, it was a nice price. It was like a nice price. I got my trash can. I got my stuff like that green. No, I love green, favorite color. I got my table. Oops, sorry. Got my table. So like my laptop, meals, makeup. I don't do makeup. Extra storages, period. This I got all my stuff right here. From Target. It was in Ziploc too. It was nice.
Lift that sky, young bad girls, give it well.